Is this image in the free version? Am I limited to this size? When exporting, I chose normal, then extra high, but got normal. He said 528 by 1400 extra high. I want 1500 by 4000, that's big. I told him extra high and asked if it pixelates. No, it's nice, close to PDF, better because PDF doesn't enlarge. This can go 500%, 600%. Extra high is accurate. I support it for resolution control. Great. Export to PDF. Is there control? He told me 528 by 1400 extra high. I wanted 1500 by 4000. That's huge. I asked, when it's extra high, will it pixelate or is it just a story? No, it's nice. Close to the PDF and better because the PDF doesn't enlarge. This can go 500%, 600%. And extra high is accurate. I support it because I can control the resolution. That's great. Really nice. Now, let's go to the PDF in the export. When I say PDF, is there control? It gave me something specific. There's no control. But the image can be normal, high, or extra high, while the PDF is limited and doesn't pixelate or enlarge beyond its limit, stopping at about 500 millimeters. So the process works like this. This can go 500%, 600%, and the extra high is nice and accurate. I support it because I can control the resolution to get an image like this. That's great, nice. Let's go to the PDF in the export. When I say PDF control, it gives me something specific. No, gave me something specific. There's no control. But the image can be normal, high, or extra high, while the PDF is limited to that. And it's vector graphics. It doesn't pixelate and doesn't enlarge beyond its limit. It stops at about 500 millimeters. The process works like this. I have PDF, PNG, which we tried with extra high. I have text, and this is important. These are the most important. It provides something specific. The image can be normal, high, or extra high, while the PDF is limited, so it doesn't pixelate or enlarge beyond 500 millimeters. The process works like this. Now I have PDF, PNG with extra high, and text. I don't want to overload you. Let's focus on computing principles. We used matrix and circular shapes. Pull it from the right to create a list. On the blackboard, it works well as the student scrolls. That's great, but it's long, and you want to gather things around you. I have a PDF, a PNG with extra high, and important text. These are key elements. I don't want to overload you. This is in the export. Let's focus on computing principles and layout. We used matrix, circular, and list shapes. You can pull it from the right to create a list. On the blackboard, it works well as students scroll, making it realistic and strong. It's long, so gather things around you. Consider top-down with right and left alignment. This looks nice. It works in PowerPoint as an image or text. If I made a mistake in arranging, I can rearrange it by going to the list. You can pull it from the right to automatically create a list. On the blackboard, it works well as the student scrolls, making it look realistic and strong. It's nice but long, so gather things around you. Consider a top-down view with alignment and say, it's not like that. This looks nice and works in PowerPoint as an image, but better as text for editing. If you make a mistake, rearrange it by going to the list, not from here. Close all items. Move data security before networks by right-clicking Move Up. Notice data security is now before networks. I want programming languages, unsure where they go. See a top-down with right alignment. It can work in PowerPoint as an image, but better as text to edit. If you make a mistake in arranging, rearrange it from the list. Close all these things. Close, close. I want data security before networks. Right-click, move up. Data security comes before networks. Programming languages, not sure where they go. This is fine. In artificial intelligence, you want it before data security. Right-click and move it up. Swap them, but not from here. Right-click to move up or down, or place it inside something else. I want to close all these things. Close, 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 close. I want data security to come before networks. I right-click on it and say move up, move up, move up, move up. You notice that data security comes before networks. I want programming languages. I don't know where they should go. No. That's good. In the midst of AI, you want AI before data security. Right-click to move it up. Don't swap from here. It doesn't look good. Right-click to move up or down, or place it inside something else. You might put AI inside data security, but you can use order up or down. This means you can include or exclude it. For example, to remove email handling from data security, right-click and choose order up. To place it after networks, hover over networks and move up. If you want data security and AI at the end because networks come first, hover over data security and move down. So, email handling comes first, then data security, and AI goes to the end. So, you can bring artificial intelligence into data security, which doesn't make sense, but you can do it by using order up or order down, meaning you can include it or exclude it. For example, if you want to remove email handling from data security, I right-click on it and choose order up, and now email handling becomes a separate element. If you want to place it at the end after networks, hover over networks and say move up. If you want data security and artificial intelligence to go to the end as networks come first, hover over data security and say move down, move down, move down. You've taken email handling, data security comes after it, and artificial intelligence goes to the end. Hover over artificial intelligence and say move down. You've organized your course with networks and email, as it's important to handle email and data security to ensure no one gets harmed, and artificial intelligence with some good information for the student to prepare them for work and life. Here's the list like this, and it's nice. I know how to work on my list. Let's talk about coloring. Move down a bit. So by doing that, you've organized your course with networks and email because it's very important to handle email and data security to ensure no one gets harmed, along with a bit of artificial intelligence, providing some good information for the student to prepare them for work and life. So here's the list like this, and it's nice. Now I know how to work on my list. Now, let's talk about coloring. I have several branches in colors, and some colors have been repeated. You might notice that the colors here aren't quite what I want, so I have the style here. Never mind. This style is specifically for colors. So, how can I change the style? Looks beautiful. I didn't expect the circles to look this nice. There's a beautiful shape called aqua. I don't know if it's above this shape too. This is nice. It feels formal. This is the aqua. Here it is. There are many shapes with changing the layout, so you can do a free form like this, and the process goes smoothly. As for the vertical shape, you can create different shapes for your design, whether you're checking styles and compatibility. Regarding the color, I'm not a fan of dealing with colors. Here, you can hover over the colors and change them. There's an icon for colors here, color. I don't know if they removed this new shape or not. The vertical shape gives you a chance to create different designs, whether you're checking the style and what goes together, what's above, and the style from here. All right, regarding the color, I'm not a fan of the color concept dealing with colors. So here you can hover over the colors and change them because there's a specific order for the colors. There's an icon for colors here. Color, I don't know if they removed this new shape or not. No, I just closed it like that. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. Here in the colors, you can stand on the colors and change them because there is a specific order for the colors. Here is a special icon for the colors. Here is color. I don't know. This new shape may have been removed. No, I just closed its function like this. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me either. I see my work, which is the first one, is about that. We had the option to change the colors. I can make it yellow. The background becomes white. The components here, I don't like their color, so I can change it. I dislike the component colors. I can change them to red as they don't look good. Light colors look nice with black, so yellow works, but red doesn't. We exported this to the Blackboard. We can place it there. Remember, it's modified. This is the cloud. A picture is here. This cloud helps with changes. You can print, export, email, keep in favorites, put in the calendar, and export to a website. The mind map had something here, and there are subscriptions for it, about a general option. We worked on this, exported it, and can put it on the Blackboard. It's been modified. This is the cloud. There's a picture here. It helps me make changes. You can print, export, email, keep in favorites, put in the calendar, and export to a website. This doesn't mean you can edit it. Check advanced settings and image options. You can print, export, email, favorite, calendar, and website export. Editing is not possible. Mind map subscriptions offer a general option, but font editing is not included. Check advanced settings and image options. The extra large option is available, with default size usually large, but can be set to maximum. Best printing is allowed. Simple Mind is an amazing program. I'll take a print screen and send it to you. It's crucial for our work. Simple Mind and the website are available to avoid issues. Here are the download links for Mac and Windows. You should look into these advanced settings and these image options. This extra large option that we tried, the default size is usually large, but you can set it to maximum and increase it. The best printing is all allowed, and the program is amazing, amazing, amazing. Simple Mind. Allow me to take a print screen of it and send it to you so that no one forgets it ever. This is a key program. Simple Mind is available, and I'll provide the website for easy access. Click the link to download. It's available for Mac and Windows. I'm sending everything through the group. I've sent all you need via WhatsApp. Everything works perfectly. I won't take more of your time. We've spent 2.5 hours. You click on the link to download the program, and I also reassure everyone that it is allowed for both Mac and Windows. I will send it to you through the group so that I can tell you. I don't know. This is the picture from the radio. Yes, I got it. You can download 2 copies, one for Mac and one for Windows, and there is no problem. I can reassure you via the WhatsApp group, and I sent you everything you have, and things are working fine, and there is no problem. I don't want to burden you too much. I mean, we didn't finish. It took us 2.5 hours. I'm reminding you about colors. Adobe Color is very important. Didn't credit it, but worked on the example of the historical development of operating systems and linked it to the Blackboard, the most important. Created animations, sound, static and dynamic movement, and experimented within our time frame. Went to Simple Mind, downloaded trial, created a course mind map, create a unit level concept map like a mini map. This is for unit components. Students can gather requests from this idea. It may lead to exam questions. I recall studying before coming to the kingdom 10 years ago, teaching this course, giving a mind map for the exam. The microphone is a key output unit, which is wrong. Studying the mind map request contains information development. I can add notes. Thank you all. I should be excused now. Before I came to the kingdom, for example, 10 years ago, I was teaching this course, and I would give them a mind map for the exam. The microphone is one of the most important output units, which is wrong. So studying the request for the mind map itself contains information. It has information. It has development. I can add to it. I can put notes in it. All right. Thank you all very much. I thank you all very much. I should excuse myself now. And thank you, Doctor. Christ, my dear, you should pay attention to number 1, colors. Adobe Color 2 is for creating your CV, videos, motion graphics, and static infographics, and all of that. And number 3 is Simple Mind. It's now time for Maghrib prayer, so I can't continue any longer. We worked the whole time without a break for you. I apologize to you all, but I said I would give you 2.5 hours. We are all set, and God willing, we will meet in upcoming training sessions. Allow me to turn off the mic and stop the recording, and hopefully the recorded video will reach you through the group. Peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings.